So let me start the discussion about should have had, and this modal verb can be used in two ways. First, should have had plus noun, and second, should have had to plus verb first form. So first of all, I'm going to talk about should have had and plus noun, and this modal verb can be used to show availability of something that was not available in the past. For example, he should have had a laptop. This sentence is also showing regretness for something that was not available in the past. For example, my friend wanted to learn English typing and he used to go to typing institution every day. But there was computer available for 1 hour and my friend needed a lot of time to increase his typing speed. So my friend was regretting about computer because computer was not available for every time. So let me show you my second example. They should have had their own home. This sentence is also showing the greatness for something that was not available. For example, a few days ago I went on my trip, so I saw many people were living on the side of the road, so I felt very bad about them. So when I returned to my home, I was thinking about them. They would be facing a lot of problem, and I was thinking at least they should have had their own home. And let me show you my last example. She should have had enough money. This sentence is also showing regretness for something that was not available. For example, there was a girl, she went for shopping and she bought various things, but in the last, she could not pay money for everything. So she was regretting about money and she was thinking I should have had enough money to purchase everything. And let me show you my second word should have had to plus verb first form. And this modal verb can be used to show some past action that you must have done. And here I want to talk about two words. When two words comes with modal verb, it means this sentence is going to show some important and essential action that you must have to do. Let me show you some example. You should have had to buy a mobile. In this sentence, I emphasized to buy a mobile. For example, my friend went to buy a mobile. When he reached on shop, he did not buy a mobile. And when he returned to home, I asked, why did you not buy a mobile? You should have had to buy a mobile because this is very important for you. Let me show you my second example. She should have had to tell him about herself. This sentence is also showing essential action like tell him about herself. For example, there was a girl and his father wanted her to become a doctor. And when his father admitted her in medical college, then she said, Father, I don't want to become a doctor. Then her father said, you should have had to tell me about yourself. So today I would not take admission. And let me show you my last example. They should have had to discuss this matter with their honor. This sentence is also emphasizing on discussion. For example, there was a few persons who worked with their owners and they used to face too much problem in their office. And one day they resigned their job and then their owner felt very bad and said they should have had to discuss this matter if they have any problem. So I hope you have understood about should have had plus noun and should have had to plus verb first form. If you think it was helpful for you, please like and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to express your opinion in comment box. Thank you so much for watching my video.